Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am gonna show you some really cool ideas to organize your kitchen without spending any money on expensive kitchen organizers. For this first idea, you will only need some thermocol and 2 empty rolls of foil wrap. Make sure that the thermocol you use is really sturdy and not the thin one. You can also use cardboard instead of thermocol. Here I have taken 2 pieces of thermocol. If you use cardboard, you can stick 2 or 3 together to make them sturdy to hold things. I have cut the empty roll of foil wrap in 4 equal sizes and I will attach them on all 4 corners of this thermocol. You can attach one more piece in the middle to give it extra support. This organizer will give you extra space in the kitchen for keeping your kitchen items on the kitchen countertop. You can use it in the cabinets also to segregate different items. It also looks very beautiful and modern. Use a big cardboard box to make a section box. Here I have taken this empty cardboard box. Now I am gonna cut 2 pieces of cardboard measured diagonally. Now I will mark their middle point and will cut them halfway to their middle point. Now just join these two together and slide them into the cardboard box. You can either paint the outside or wrap it with a designer paper or wrapping paper. You can segregate different vegetables and keep it in the fridge, or you can also divide different snack items in this box. You can also make a big section box to store your opened and unopened grocery items. Use empty boxes of snacks to organize your spoons, forks and knives. Just cut them in this way and organize all your spoons, forks and serving spoons etc. nicely in a drawer of your kitchen. Use a big cardboard box to make a shelf organizer in your kitchen cabinets. Make sure to use a sturdy box. It is very useful in segregating different sized plates, bowls and glasses etc. Cut this part of your empty juice bottles. If you have some open grocery items but you don't have an empty container to store them, then you can use this part of the bottle to store it properly. All these organizers are easy to make and will surely help you organize your kitchen. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and do share your ideas with me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Bye.